Philippine archipelago, or a collection of the islands of the Philippines, is a amazing place. It's part of the ring of fire of the Indo-Pacific Ocean. And in many of the islands that there are there, many volcanoes erupt. And some of them are really dangerous. One of those ones is the volcano which is called Kanlaon. It's 2,464 around that height. Of course, it changes with every eruption. In the island of Negros, we had the eruption of this volcano in recent times. And the Philippines Institute for Volcanology and Seismology have released now a latest warning about this. The tilt measurements of the volcano's flanks, which are measured by actually a tilt meter, something that actually bends, shows the vertical position. The principle is mentioned here. And that vertical position is measured against an angle. And so this is different from what we do. For example, in the Iceland, we use GPS for that. This is another way of doing it. It shows that the magma is underneath the volcano, is in a shallow depth. And we are also picking up all the sulfur dioxide gases from this volcano, which in all terrestrial planets is a sign of the magma accumulation, being on Earth or on Io, the satellite of Jupiter. So the alert level is now raised to level 2. And this volcano is actually quite dynamic. We know that. Just looking at this image, I can say that there is an old volcano which has blown at its top, and a new volcano, a new Kanlaon volcano, I call it, has formed on the top of that. And this is a new dome, it's a felsic dome, you can see. It is erupting all the time. It's practically meaning that vegetation has no chance to grow on this, although this area should be lush vegetation, is almost tropical or near the tropics. Earthquakes and eruption in this area are common. Eruptions release a lot of pyroclastic because this is a very water-rich magma in that area. This is the oceanic crust of the Philippine plate going in the Philippine trench underneath the islands and coming back as these volcanoes that we see. The latest eruption this year created a lahar and damaged the properties and crop of the people. So this is a volcano which is quite dangerous. We have to keep watching this. We have no evidence of the magma accumulation underneath this. And it's possible that we may have a magma at the shallow depth.